The DROIX Black Friday sale is well underway. Have you bought anything yet? We have two excellent gaming mini PCs to highlight that have a great discount during the sale. The Stheno F5 is an amazing gaming mini PC. There's a choice of i5 and i7 processor, which comes with an NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics card. It's excellent for gaming and also for tasks such as video editing. I actually use this mini PC in the office to make our videos. The MinisForum X500 features the AMD Ryzen desktop CPU for very high performance. It's excellent for gaming and keeps up with newer processors which are mobile based, but not quite as fast as graphics as the Stheno F5 with its dedicated graphics. Learn more at DROIX.co.uk and save in our range of products from mini PCs, gaming handhelds and Android TV boxes.